Hello and welcome to our brigade today on the Integrative Health Coaching Platforms from Home. I'm Dr. Deborah Drake, as you know, from Health Academy, and I welcome Abby Michelle, one of our graduated students who's an integrative health coach after 10 years in the field as a clinician in deep tissue. Boy, you sure know your nutrition as well. And Abby's come here to Toronto for our World Organization of Natural Medicine's annual Congress, where we're simulcasting, to 20 countries?
Yes, so amazing. I'm so happy to be here and to be a part of this organization. It is absolutely amazing. It's changing the world. We are here to bring light and goodness into this world. And I'm so happy to be a part of it. And I just started my own business doing deep tissue massage in Vancouver. So I'm doing that, and I'm here to keep learning from you. You've been my mentor for quite a long time, and I'm so happy to always be learning from you.
It's great to be able to be having a relationship with somebody on the other side of the country. I'm in Toronto. She's in Vancouver. Your new website's what? AbbyMichelleVancouver.com?
DeepTissueVancouver.com.
DeepTissueVancouver.com. Yep. Write that one down. And Abby's going to be coming in on cyber classes with me in our Health Academy. The Health Counts Academy has got classrooms on various different topics of bioterrain and wellness. We're starting this weekend launching our Music is Medicine course. Abby's been one of my bioterrain and sort of amp coil PEMF students. How's that affected you in your practice?
Absolutely astronomically. Like, the bioenergetics is the key to getting our health back.
That's it.
It is the missing key because of all of these frequencies that are throwing us out of balance in our world. So we really need we need the music. We need that frequency to bring us back into balance. Yeah. And I've noticed a bigger transformation incorporating that with the therapy, removing the physical blocks. Yeah. The two just work perfectly together.
Well, you work a lot on the deep tissue, which releases psychological blocks too.
Yes.
And if you don't take the psychology out, the cords are still there to the physicality. So by working with the magnetics on the physicality and the spiritual and emotional side, and then getting the loving, tender touch.
Yes.
I think that combination, as well as learning about bioterrain and how nutrition is the root of all of our basic energy fields and the exchange of energy. So we're going to be doing the health safari this year with a tip of the week on each different mineral or vitamin of the week. You can't imagine what we're going to talk about there.
Yeah.
Can't wait to see you.
It's going to be great.
I'm sure it's going to be more than just one mineral a day, but we'll try to keep it short for you, okay? It's called the Health Safaris at healthcounts.ca. But I do hope that some of you will do as Abby has and get into our certification process. 100 level bioterrain, 200 level is Music is Medicine for PEMF and technologies of crystals, detoxing strategies. And if you want to go A to Z with us every week, we basically go all the way down wellness, detox, restoration, and rejuvenation of the body. We think that if you're on your axle, you'll run for a long time down the center of the road instead of driving off into the ditch.
Definitely. It's all about balance.
That's it. So we hope that you'll watch the healthcounts.ca /WONM-2020. You can see the big red button there for your donation to the tickets and get in a 9-day event of the top 50 speakers in the world.
Amazing.
And they're all coming in on a broadcast through Siphon to 23 countries. We're hoping to get literally more than 2-3 million people, if we can, to absolutely come to the same consciousness level at the same time this week. I'll be speaking on Monday night, October 19th, on deep sleep and how to use crystals, technology, and minerals to keep your brain from becoming inflamed and prematurely aged. There's many other speakers. The tickets are $90 and $97 for 9 days. Amazing. With a 10% discount if you use my name, Dr. Drake, at the promo code. Or if you can only come from Monday to Friday, there's the $5 for 5-day ticket for humanity. Wow. Who can say no to that? We want it to be inclusive to the whole world.
That's
right?
Incredible. Talk about humanitarian work.
Exactly.
Yes.
And we know that there's a book coming out afterwards with the lectures from each of us, practitioners or researchers or advocates. So you can get the WONM 2020 Turning Point book after. And I will be at healthcounts.ca putting links to that up all week long, okay? But do us a favor. Please share this with others. Abby, thank you for stopping by. I can't wait to see you soon. We'll get into our conference room. Our class is starting at Tuesdays at 2 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, where we're going to be online for an hour in our open classroom, and we can help you sort out what you need and where you might go within our tree of resources.
Yes.
And we can help you sort of figure out how you can work from home, heal from home, and basically increase your power of both the people that you live with getting better and the world getting better, because we're making a better environment for everybody.
Definitely. I can't wait to see you guys all next time.
Yeah. See you soon, folks.
Bye for now.
Turning Point 2020.online. That's where you want to get your tickets. We'll see you soon.